Oh, I saw him on the ground. Reed, I got you something. It's the most valuable gift I've ever given anyone.
What is it?
It's a subscription to the Reels and Riches YouTube channel.
Ah, I already have that.
Well, Reed said he saw him land in here. I'm guessing they decided to go up. Hopefully get Tori on him here. How many?
Just one, I got him.
Jeez, guys. I seriously turned the camera off for 1 second. Oh, I just saw one run on the ground. He got up and I crushed him. See his feathers right here? Oh, there he is. I know there's more up here though. First bird of the day. How did I miss that? Damn it. Well guys, that was a pretty great point by Tori. Brought me all the way up this hill. I was huffing and puffing. I just missed. Don't really have a good excuse for that one. That's the way it goes sometimes, but. Look at it, Tori! That thing was cruising. Good girl. Good girl. Oh, that's my good girl. On the second shot today, guys. Right here. Oh, good girl. That's my girl. Oh, good girl. Oh, good girl. And these are some big chucker, guys. That's a big old bird. Let me get him in the sun here. There we go. Yeah, that's a big old bird.
All right, guys. Well, it's been a great but frustrating past, I don't know, 15 minutes. So it started with Jordan scaring up a covey of birds that he couldn't shoot.
God, right at Reed.
And they came and they landed almost right on top of me. I mean, I saw where they landed and I was there 30 seconds later. A dozen birds. And I'm wandering around where they landed, nothing. And then two birds get up right at my feet and I miss them both. I'm trying to find the other birds, not find them. Jordan comes over, he jumps up a single bird where I was and gets it. No, I was standing over there and I seriously watched them land right here. And I ran over here, I was seriously there 30 seconds after they landed. Right at the end of this knob I'm on.
That's gonna be a hell of a video. Not ready.
Told you! Then I heard birds calling up where we are now, or a bird. We come up here, Jordan and I meet at the top. Bird gets up, sails downhill, going away shot for Jordan, left to right cross shot for me. We literally fire at the exact same time. And this bird just crumples and goes down, and Jordan's like, "Did you shoot?" And I'm like, "Did you shoot?" And so we don't know who got this bird. We're trying to do like a forensic analysis on it to see where it got hit. This bird got hammered pretty good, so it seems like maybe we both got it, but might have to go back to the tape and break it down a little further to see who the bird actually goes to, but at least we got it. Thanks for watching the video, guys. If you enjoyed it, please remember to hit that like button, leave us a comment, and subscribe to the channel. And if you're interested in any of the gear that we use, check out the links in the description. Thanks again for watching.